Crypto slang is crazy. It's a brave new world, and I'm gonna help you clear the fog. I'm Tyler Kroll, this is Tacks Living, a channel dedicated to simplifying the complex so you can take action and enrich your life. Stick around to the end of the video where I show you how to get a free guide to altcoins. Today's word of the day is front running. I hate front running. You should hate front running too. If you own or run a front running bot, please do me a favor and just unsubscribe to my channel until you give back all of your ill-gotten gains. In all markets, when you get front run, someone basically takes your position in a trade. If you're buying, they bid just slightly higher than you and take your position. When you're selling, it's just the opposite. They sell at a slightly less profitable point than you do. The point is, they get the transaction and you don't. In crypto, front running takes on its own special definition. The outcome is the same though. Your transaction's executed at a worse price if the front runner isn't there. At least in real life, you may be front run by an automated program or it may be a human. In crypto, it's always an automated program that's front running you. This is bottom feeding trash in my opinion. Let me explain how this works. When you enter into an exchange transaction on a decentralized exchange, you control two things: the amount of gas you're willing to pay for the transaction and the amount of slippage you're willing to accept to have your order executed. You can change these things. You don't have to, but you can. Gas fees are used to compensate the miner, so the more you pay for gas, the higher up in your queue your transaction sits. If you set your gas low, your position in the queue goes down and others bidding higher for gas will be executed before you. Slippage, on the other hand, is how much price variation you're willing to accept to execute your trade. For example, if the price of a token is $1 and you set your slippage to 50%, that means you're willing to pay up to $1.50 for it. Or if you set your slippage to only 1%, then you're willing to pay only $1.01. Same transaction, big difference in outcome. When you get front run, an automated program, a robot, will bid a higher gas fee and take advantage of your slippage setting. The bot will get executed first, bidding the price higher, and if that new price is within your slippage tolerance, you get filled at that higher price and the bot trades out on the next block almost immediately, sending the price down to where it was originally in the next transaction. You get top ticked, you overpaid, sometimes significantly. The bot walks away with a small profit and repeats this over and over and over again. Speed of network helps to reduce this. Chains like Velas are great opportunities to abolish this scourge. But look, bots are a part of crypto. The automation is part of what makes crypto so amazing. This is just an example of something amazing for a negative purpose. Bots don't add anything of value. They simply take advantage of network speed and people's mistakes. So the lesson here is this: double check your gas setting and double check your slippage setting. On PancakeSwap, you can do that here and here. Check it and check it again before you execute your trade. It could save you a lot. I mentioned at the beginning a free guide to finding and evaluating altcoins. We've put together a comprehensive guide to help you find and evaluate your next altcoin gem. You can find that on our website. The link is below and in the description. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what other jargon you want to see in the comments. I'll see you on the next video.